In this video, I'll show you how you can flip and mirror an image on Windows 10 and 11. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your image. You can right click on it and open with Photos, or simply double click it if Photos is your original opening tool. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is click on the little edit button up here, or you can click Ctrl E for the shortcut. Now once it's done loading, you can see it will be like this, and you have options to do many different things. But what we want to do is we want to come down here, and there will be two arrows to the side, which is to flip it just like this. You can also flip it the other way around if you wanna, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now once you've done it and you're happy with the result, you can simply press save, and it will now be the new photo. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.